Up. Today it's been a hard, tough day. Like I said in the previous video, we had some heck of issues, man. We finally got the pipe out. We had to do it a different way. We could not get the two bolts off. Let me show you just a second. We finally got them off. So let me show you real quick. These two buddies right here, we cannot get them off, man. So we took the whole thing out, literally the whole thing out. And we're gonna try to get these things off today, cause man, that was annoying. Cause I just wanna go ahead and install this one right here, the nicer one, the cleaner one, the one that I didn't have to work for in the rain, cause I was in the rain literally the whole entire time. And this was so annoying, man. This thing right here, man. We finally got it out, so we're gonna try to get it off. Let's see how good we can be, how great we can be right now. I'm so excited. We finally got the freaking pipe off, bro. Dude, what? It took probably 5 minutes altogether to take this one right here and take it off. The rest of these, like exhaust, whatever it's called, yeah, whatever. But it took that long, 5 minutes, dude, just for taking it off the car. And I'd rather have done that than sit here and take my ass of time trying to figure out how to get it off underneath the car. It was so much easier doing this. If you can't get a bolt off, I would advise you to try it. There's like 2 bolts in the back that hold these up right here. And there's a freaking, they're both 10s. Oh, no, 12s. They're 12s, I'm sorry. 12s. And then these are 14s, I believe. 14s or 14s and 13s. The top 2. And man, so much of relief. So now all I have to do is bolt it back up and let's hear how it sounds. Hopefully, I'm kind of worried though right now though. We have probably a little miniature exhaust leak. It's like this is gonna be right here. So that means we're gonna have to go ahead and finish the exhaust out, which I mean it's fine. But dude, we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna try to hammer it up a little bit and try to get it to connect. We'll see how it looks on there in a minute. But man, this is such a relief. I'm so excited. Thank God, man. Boy, in is about to be on. We need to get rid of this shit next. This is next what we're upgrading. Don't know what I want to go with, but we'll go with something nice. Hopefully. Man, this is a long time coming. All right, let's put it in. It's been a long one. It's been tiring, wet, cold, but guess what? We got it done. Let's see how it sounds. This is my first time cranking it up with a cold start also, so here we go. There we go. We still have a leak, but it sounds better. Hold on. The leak has been resolved, supposedly. Let's see how it sounds. Yes. Like, oh my God, it was annoying. Let's gonna get the leak fixed at a shop and see what happens, what they say. But like, I'm not touching that anymore because, God, it was so annoying. So annoying. Finally got it done. Wow. We still have way more to do. We still have to finish the exhaust out. We have to get some tips on the thing, and soon I'll be putting the wheels on after everything's done. It's gonna be fun. This is like, dang, man, this took forever. So, but I learned my lesson. I learned a lot, and I'm hoping next time you're in a situation I have all the tools I need, which now I do, basically. You can never have not too many tools. So, yeah, I mean, the sound, we have a little leak still, like I said, but we can get that fixed and worried about within the coming weeks. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on it. I'm trying to buy some more carbon fiber stuff, install in the car. As we speak, I was looking online just now ago, just to see what's the potential us being able to get some more carbon fiber all in the car. Which we're gonna go for the fenders, the hood, the trunk. We want to do a carbon fiber trunk, but do I want to? Nah. Or do I want to? Yeah. It's kind of like, do I want to? Do I want to? Yeah, I kind of do. But next we're gonna get the hood wrap, not hood, the top of the car, the roof wrap, and we're looking for some roof racks right now. So hopefully we can get those and put those on there. But otherwise, man, it's been wild. I thank you guys for keep seeing and watching my videos. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you.